Hello, and you are more than welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a yarn 2 forward, knit 2 together. And the point of that is to create a hole in your knitting. Okay, so what it can be used for is buttonholes, okay? Buttonholes, and also as a decorative stitch, sometimes called an eyelet. So in my pattern here, the Perfect Autumn Scarf, available on Ravelry and Etsy, digitally and in print. Okay, there's a nice eyelet detailing. Let's see, there we go, if I put my hand behind it. Okay, along the edge. And that's decorative, so it can be functional as a buttonhole or decorative, and I will show you just how to do that. So like in the Perfect Autumn Scarf pattern, okay, the eyelet detailing, okay, the yarn forward K2tog is at the end of the scarf, okay, the edge. So what we want to do in our little sample, if we're doing it like the pattern, is to go to the last 3 stitches, okay, yarn over, so that's bringing the wool to the front. Okay, so we've been knitting and we're bringing it to the front as if to purl, then going to knit the next 2 stitches together. So we've not lost any stitches because even though we've knitted 2 together, I've also yarned over, and that's like slightly wonky leaking stitch there. And then as in this pattern, you're going to knit the last one as well. So then on the next row, you're just going to knit that slightly wonky stitch, make sure it doesn't come off, okay? That is a stitch. Might seem a bit loose as well, so just keep an eye on your tension. Okay, and then we've made a little eyelet detail in there. If you enjoyed this video, got something from it, please do give us a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we can't wait to make more how-tos for you. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you particularly need help with.